Hello everyone, in this video I will showcase my decentralized energy grid simulation project, which is a DePIN or decentralized physical infrastructure network that allows users to rent any device that transfers energy. For example, let's say you're at the airport and you're low on battery, and there is a special charger that allows your phone to charge very fast, and it charges you for a certain amount of time that you specify. When the user scans the QR code via Solana Pay, it confirms the transaction. The device is automatically unlocked for the specified amount of time, which can be a couple of minutes to several hours. So let me show you how this works on the blockchain. First, there will be an energy device or energy cell owner, which is depicted by this green rectangle. They will create a unique energy device account on the blockchain, this purple rectangle, which will hold data such as the output power, capacity, name, and most importantly, whether the device is active or not. Then the same owner will have a backend server that will have access to their wallet, allowing it to activate an existing energy device owned by this wallet whenever a transaction has been made. Then we have the front end, which will be the interface that the user will interact with and ultimately read the QR code in order to make the transaction, which is signed by both the owner and the user wallets, both of these green rectangles here. And finally, there's the energy device infrastructure, this sign rectangle, which polls the energy device account, listening for changes, and whenever a change is made, such as the status, whether the device is active or not, as you can see here in this arrow, the state of this device also changes. So in summary, the user scans the QR code, the transaction in the blockchain is created by the backend server, the user confirms it with their wallet, and then the transaction is made here, which changes the state of the account, and the device here, the energy infrastructure, listens to that state change and changes its own state accordingly. Now, since this project is a simulation, because I don't have a Raspberry Pi or any embedded devices that allow me to do this in the real world, I will show this simulation diagram, which, as you can see, there is no energy device infrastructure. Instead, the front end app will do this simulation, and you can see the device activating on your screen instead of a real physical infrastructure device. And I will show you how this works right now. So here's my web server representing an energy device where you can specify for how long you want it to activate. So let's say I want to charge my phone for 10 minutes. I will specify here the 10 minutes time frame and generate the QR code. Now I'm going to grab my phone. I'm using the Silfire wallet. Here, as you can see, there's a little bit of reflex, but I'm using the Solana wallet, but the Phantom wallet works just the same. I'm gonna scan the QR code. Great. Can you see? Let me see. There's a lot of reflex here. So here you can see there's an icon. There are some transaction details here. I'm gonna click allow here, and then it shows more transaction details. Here it says use the energy device for 10 minutes, and here is how much you're going to be charged. So all good here. Let's approve this transaction. Slide to approve, and it's been approved. So let's wait for a couple of seconds here, and the device should be active. Great, it says the device is active until today at 12:14. It's now 12:05. So yeah, pretty much 10 minutes of active time. So let's say this is a real life scenario. I have my charger here, and then let's say this is the energy device. I can just plug it in here, and my phone will be charging. So that's pretty much how this works. So now I have waited 10 minutes just to show you the transition back to the normal state. So let's wait here 20 seconds and it should go back to the inactive state. Great. As you can see, the device is not active anymore. It um, it went to the inactive state on its own, and that's pretty much it. So that is my decentralized energy grid simulation project. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions, please leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!